Do you know why is the temperature on the Earth is rising? The climate on the Earth is slowly getting warmer because of the thick layer of greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases trap more heat. In result, temperature of Earth is rising. Let's understand in detail. Smoke from vehicle and factories increasing level of greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases are carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide. So that's why layer of greenhouse gases are become thicker. Thicker layer trap more heat from sun. And because of all these reason temperature of Earth is rising. But tree take carbon dioxide to maintain carbon dioxide level in environment. People of Earth are cutting tree to make building and road. This is called deforestation. And because of deforestation level of carbon dioxide is not maintained in atmosphere. And layer of greenhouse gases becoming thicker, and trap more heat coming from sun. And this is the reason behind rising temperature of Earth. This is known as global warming.